Here's the truth no one wants to admit. No one cares. Not about your excuses, not about how tired you are, not about how unfair life is. You can cry, complain, or quit, or you can get up and get better. The world doesn't reward potential, it rewards proof. Maybe you didn't grow up rich, maybe no one believed in you. Good. Use that. You don't need a perfect background to win. You need a reason strong enough to keep going when you don't feel like it. Every successful person you admire started with doubt, fear, and nothing guaranteed. They built their greatness while no one was watching. Winners don't talk about what they're going to do. They show it. They don't scroll for motivation. They become the motivation. They do it tired. They do it broke. They do it when no one claps. Because the grind isn't supposed to feel good. It's supposed to change you. And the moment you stop needing validation is the moment you become dangerous. No one's going to hand it to you, so build it yourself. The formula is simple. Discipline plus time equals success. Wake up, show up, keep going, no matter how you feel, no matter what happened yesterday. Because discipline isn't something you have, it's something you build. You're not tired, you're just used to being soft. You're not stuck, you just stopped moving. Every excuse is a lie you've repeated so much, you started to believe it. So stop telling the world what you're going to do, and just do it. Because at the end of the day, no one cares. Work harder.